Okay, now to make a platinum catalyst, first you need some platinum. So I bought this 1 gram bar. I think I paid like 65 bucks on Amazon, but the platinum price went down, so you might find one cheaper. Then you're gonna take your scissors and cut off the edge, just like that. Now platinum is a little harder than gold, so it's not that easy, but I got it off. So now you have a tiny piece of platinum, but it needs a higher surface area. So you have to hammer it down like this. And after like 20 hits with the hammer, you need to heat it up so it gets soft again and not brittle. And now I'm gonna do this for like 20 minutes. Okay, now after doing this procedure like 20 times, you can see that we now have like foil of platinum, and it's significantly larger than the other half of the bar. We still want a higher surface area, so we take a needle and put some holes in it, just like this. You know, that's gonna take a long time, so we'll skip forward. Okay, now we're done. You can see the platinum foil looks like Swiss cheese. Maybe thousands of holes in it, so it has a very high surface area. And now we're gonna do some experiments with it. Okay, so it's quite dark, but now we can test out our new catalyst. So I have a glass here and I filled it with some methanol, and I already warmed it up a little so we have more vapor. And I should mention that you shouldn't do this inside a building or something, because methanol is poisonous. That's what makes the moonshiners blind. So to start the reaction we need a little bit of heat. Therefore I have this little blowtorch. Now I'm gonna heat up the catalyst and put it inside the beaker with the vapor. As you can see, it starts glowing, and it will stay glowing for a little while until either there's no more oxygen in there or all the methanol vapor got burned up. You know what's happening in this reaction is platinum actually takes one hydrogen atom out of the methanol, forming hydrogen and formaldehyde, which is also pretty poisonous. And in the second step, the hydrogen atoms react with the oxygen, forming water, and that's what gives it all the heat. So there you can see the setup in normal light. So you see I'm not cheating with electricity or anything. You can see it glowing. Like it starts glowing and then it goes out again. That is just because when it glows, we have all the byproducts like water vapor and so that stop the reaction and slow it down, so it goes out. And when the water vapor goes away, we get oxygen back and some methanol vapor, and the reaction can start again.